Humans. We have always been defined by our dreams. To find our place in this universe, we are inspired by our curiosity that has created a legacy and now drives us to explore and understand the final frontier of mankind, space. We are the next chapter of SEDS India. Our mission to make space exploration available to everyone and achievable by anyone. We push the limits of what is possible, probable. We define what can be done, achieved. Our motivations at SEDS Nebula is to empower all of us to understand and finally realize how we all can contribute in going where we have never gone before. Maybe it was a lack of opportunities. Maybe it was your education. Maybe that is why you could not pursue your dreams for space. Maybe it was not your time, but now it is. This is about science. This is about engineering. This is about becoming more than what we are destined to be. And that is what we all live by, the members of SEDS Nebula. We will cater to your needs, find the opportunities, and empower you to dream. It does not matter who you are, an engineer, an architect, or even an artist. All that matters is, are you ready? We are SEDS Nebula.